Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix some keyboard keys not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's get started. So the steps that I'm going to give you is going to work to Windows 11 too. So first is I want to give you a tip on how you can remedy or temporarily have an alternative here on-screen keyboard. Right here you can use this if some of your keys are not really working on your keyboard and you want to use it, so you can just click it right here and it would type right here. And that is a really useful tip that you can use if everything else fails here, because if it fails, then that just means that it is probably a hardware problem, which means we can't do anything about that but for you to get it repaired or get it replaced. So first, before going through replacement and through all of that, let's just check if it is really the problem. So first, what you want to do is go here into troubleshoot right here, which you here you just need to simply type troubleshoot right here in your search bar and go here, click on it, and you will be prompted here. And what you want to do is go to additional troubleshooters right there, and you would see all of this. But if you're in Windows 11, then you can also have the same process. You should just type troubleshooters right here and it would appear it like this. So when you're here, you want to find keyboard right here, and this is the keyboard right here. So what you want to do is go run the troubleshooter right here, and as you can see, no changes or updates were necessary because I don't have any problems with my keyboard, but if you do have one, then it might detect some of it. Next is go to device manager right here. We want to update our drivers right here and go to keyboards right here in device manager. And as you can see, I have all of this because some of these are Bluetooth and some of these are wired, so that's why it has this many. So what you want to do is uninstall all of this, uninstall, but I'm not going to do that because I don't have any problems. But don't worry guys, if you uninstall it, don't worry, you just have to restart your computer after you have uninstalled it, and Windows will automatically install it back again so that it would have a fresh start. It is basically refreshing your keyboard drivers. So I'm not going to do that again, this restart, if you are confused, because I don't have any problems with my keyboard, but in your case you should do that. And now let's go close it again. And once you have done this, you can also run the troubleshooter again if you want here, just to double check, and there's still none. And now what I can give you is go back, and you want to go for Windows Update right here, or you can just search it again right here, update. You can search everything right here in the settings. You can go check for updates and you will be prompted here. And what you want to do is here, if you didn't have updated your Windows recently, then you should update it, because most of the people that are asking me why are the keyboards not working, and it's most likely, and most of them are really not updating their Windows. So once they have updated it, it goes back into working again. So what you want to do is go click on install now, or maybe update, download some updates right here if you have some options available for you right there. But again, I'm not going to do that because I don't have any problems with my Windows version and I'm satisfied with it. So let's go exit, and now what you want to do is go here on search run right here, and what you want to do is go here into cfmon.exe. So what you should copy all of this, C Windows System 32 ctfmon.exe, and take note, this is not a slash but this is an inverted. You might get confused, this is the slash, this is the inverted, okay? And once you have done that, then you just click on OK, and it should work for you if you have a software problem in your keyboard. So that's it. If none of this worked for you, then it's probably a hardware problem, and there's nothing you can do here in the settings in the software that could fix it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads.
See you soon.